Why means I want to eat the chicken burji. I only ate one time. Now also I want to eat. But now this karna I cannot break. And I'm doing it in my home. For our chicken burji, we should add our corn flour. Our corn flour is done, and we should add some chili powder. After chili powder, we should add little salt. And we should add baking powder too. Then we should add some water. Enough. We should add little less than the first one. And again we should add little more water. And we should do with the towel. Mix with towel. Our batter is ready. Now we should add one piece of chicken and dip it and take the piece of chicken and keep in the oil. Take one chicken piece and keep in the and mix the chicken piece and take the chicken piece and gently drop at the sides. Like this we should, okay? And we should take the all chicken pieces. By skating, I did this yummy pakodi. I want to do that. That is very nice and quick. Now, 10 minutes come. Take this one. How that means? Hello. Good. And yeah. With onion, I want to taste again. Then now I'm going to taste with my onion. With the onion and lemon. Wonderful. Yummy. The taste, I love the taste of the lemon and onions. It's good. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Hope you like my video. Please like, share, subscribe our channel to get more updates from previous chats. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.